Africa, na?
Tell me my country.
South Africa.
No.
Sri Lanka.
No, I'm not Sri Lankan. Tell me.
America.
No. Brother, tell me my country, please. I'm trying to talk to this guy. Unfortunately, he's not understanding anything I'm saying. I only know bye, and that's it. And Nahi Karega. That's the only thing I know. And unfortunately, Malayu? Kannada? Hindi? Okay, Hindi. So I'm trying to get a translation for Hindi. Hindi translation. Let me see whether you can see it. Hindi translation English. So I'm just going to ask him, where is that shit now? I'm going to do it, make it like this. I will ask, what is your name?
Name?
What? Yes. What is your name, brother?
Virpal.
Biru Kirfal.
नहीं वीरपाल.
Birbal.
पाल नहीं वीरपाल.
Birbal. I don't know what that is, but what is your name? Okay. आपका क्या नाम है?
वीरपाल.
Birbal. So you see, I'm also learning this language. It's nice. He's asking when I will upload. I'm just trying to say I will upload it tomorrow.
ये कितना? 50 का है.
Mine is a kai upload Kardonga. Mine is a upload Kardonga.
हाँ अपलोड.
Sorry. He didn't understand me, of course, because I tried to pronounce it in. I'm trying to pronounce it with an East African accent, which of course doesn't make sense to him. But anyway, this pineapple is very sweet. Yeah, it's very sweet, juicy. Whenever you're traveling anywhere, endeavor to eat the locally produced foods there. Because then you can be able to tell how the agriculture is done. You can be able to support the agriculture industries. Yeah. Of course, when you compare these pineapples with the ones we have in Kenya, ours are much better, right? Ours are much bigger, but the taste is usually the same. You know, a pineapple says taste pineapple anyway. You can never have a taste of mango in a pineapple. It's always a pineapple.
Much cheaper.
Much cheaper. When you buy locally produced food, you're supporting the local economy. And you're supporting the young people who are actually getting out to support themselves, to earn a living from that. Yeah. Let me again try to read my Hindi.
मैं इसे कल अपलोड कर दूंगा.
मैं इसे कल upload कर दूंगा.
कल.
I think he understood what I was saying, right?
सुबह करेंगे ना.
Yeah. The challenge we've been having here is language barrier, especially when you're trying to interact with the majority of young people here. Don't generalize the entire country. Like when you find that the country was colonized by the British, it's a colony of Britain. It doesn't mean that everybody here speaks English. No, there are many languages here that you have to also try to learn so that you can be able to connect with the people. Before you come here, try to learn the language and then you can authentically connect with these people. You can be able to converse and buy something like this. Otherwise, with me, I'm just going to be saying Nehi Karega and buy. Okay? So that's what we are doing over here, and we are enjoying our stay in Bangalore. Nightlife, always nice to walk at night, always peaceful and safe. Brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
You fine?
How are you?
Fine. Do you know Sandeep?
My name is Shivam Pal.
Uh-huh. Say,
क्या?
what's your name?
Shivam.
Shivam.
Yes, yes.
You were born here,
Yeah.
Bangalore?
Yes, yes.
So what do you do?
I am fine. Porter writer. Porter.
Border.
Yes, yes.
Like that one?
No, three-wheeler.
Or three-wheeler?
Yes.
Nice. We are having problems every time we are ordering a border.
Yes. Oh, loading.
Loading.
Yes.
Not people?
Huh?
People or anything? Are you carrying anything?
Porter only.
Like this one?
No. Loading.
Oh,
Three-wheeler.
quarter one,
Yes.
three-wheeler one.
Yes.
Nice. That's good.
वीडियो शूट हो रहा है ना?
Yeah, videos is shooting.
ओके वायरल करो सर हम देखेगा.
YouTube.
ओके
Okay.
चैनल दो सर का.
How are you,
My
brother?
friend
His name is
Yaninder.
Yaninda.
Yes.
Wallahi, your names are very difficult to pronounce.
Yes. Shivam.
The only one I know in India
Yes.
is Salman Khan
Yes.
and Sandeep. Do you know Sandeep?
Sandeep.
Sandeep, yes.
Yes. Salman Khan, what is?
You don't know Salman Khan?
Yes, Salman. Baba Sanjay Dutt.
Yes.
Salman.
And you know Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes.
Shah Rukh Khan.
But my favorite hero is Baba Sanjay Dutt.
Baba Sanjay Dutt.
Yes.
That one is crazy, man. Me, I only know Priyanka Chopra.
Yes.
You know Priyanka Chopra?
No.
You don't know?
Agriculture is the very hard shooting clothes.
Not agriculture. Yani Priyanka. You know Priyanka Chopra?
No.
You don't know Sandeep?
Sandeep no. जानते
Come
नहीं
on, Sandeep. Everybody in India should know Sandeep.
संदीप साउथ मूवी हीरो
From Kerala.
केरला
Mhm.
आई एम साउथ यस हम यस इधर से नहीं
So, Mr. Sandeep,
यस
let me show you Sandeep.
माय फ्रेंड जानता है
Janta hai?
यस
Let me show you Sandeep. You know this guy?
नेम से नहीं जानता सर
Called Sandeep. Let me show you. It's coming right now. Internet is slow. You know this, not this one. This is Sandeep.
जानता है सर शक्ल से जानता है फेस से जानता है
Uh-huh.
नेम से नहीं
You don't know this person? Oh, the face you know, but the person you don't know.
Yes.
The name you don't know.
यस
Finally. Brother Sandeep, please say hello to this guy here, over here. This guy, he knows you and he likes you, he follows you. Though he doesn't know your name, just know that your people here knows you and they love you.
ओनली फेस
Only the face you know.
यस
Can you say hello to Mr. Sandeep?
हेलो टू मिस्टर संदीप
Mashallah. Thank you.
अफ्रीका ना
Tell me my country.
साउथ अफ्रीका
No.
श्रीलंका
No, I'm not Sri Lankan. Tell me.
अमेरिका
No. Brother, tell me my country, please.
नहीं मालूम
Uttar Pradesh, sir? Me, I'm from, Kenya?
यूपी हाँ
You know Kenya? You know Africa?
अफ्रीका यस
You know Kenya?
केनिया यस
It's East Africa. You know Indian Ocean?
इंग्लिश
Indian Ocean?
इंडियन
Let me show you on the phone. Where's the phone? Oh man.
लोग देखिए वो सारे
When I told you that the people of India are very friendly, this is what I meant, very friendly people. So these guys don't know where Kenya is. I'm just going to take them from you know what Africa is, okay? And this is the map. So this is Africa, okay? And this, see this one here.
Double tap.
I don't want to open that thing. I just, I want to go to. Let me come here. So this is Kenya. Essentially, you see this one. This is Kenya.
Tanzania.
Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Your country Kenya.
Yes.
Oh.
This is Tanzania. This is Kenya. This is Somalia. This is Uganda. This is Ethiopia. This is Sudan. Okay.
You are long travel, sir.
Yeah, very far. 8 hours
8 hours
on
flight.
flight to Mumbai.
Mumbai to Bangalore.
1 hour 30 minutes. And I love Indians. Okay.
Okay. Thank
You people make me happy, and you know, when you talk, we exchange. It's very nice.
I like this Tanzania.
Kenya.
Kenya.
Welcome to Kenya, brother.
Okay.
Next time you come to Kenya, okay?
Okay.
But I have to come to Uttar Pradesh,
Yes.
okay? Call your family, tell them my brother from Kenya is coming to Uttar Pradesh, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Say hi to Mr. Sandeep.
Okay, Sandeep. 40, 50, or Tanzania, Kenya. Kenya.
Okay, Kenya. Yes. Say hello to Kenyans.
Say hello to Kenya.
Hi,
Hi.
Kenyans.